Please note, when selecting a parking position, note that the vehicle is more maneuverable in reverse. Therefore, you will be able to park even if you have limited space. If there is very little space, press closer to the edge where you will park. But in general, if you are a novice driver, it will be easier if you are farther away from the parking space, so it will be much easier for you and you will feel more confident. So here we go. Step 1. Find a spot where you can visually fit your car. Step 2. Be sure to turn on your right turn signal to show other drivers what you are about to do. Take the correct position on the road, keeping a distance of approximately 1.5 feet or 0.5 meters from other parked cars. Drive forward one parking space so that the rear of your car is on the start line of the second parking space. Step 3. Before you start parking, make sure there is no one behind you and that you are not in anyone's way. Engage reverse gear. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the right and slowly start driving. Watch for other vehicles in your side mirrors. Drive until you are in parallel with other cars and completely fit into the parking space. If the parking space is too narrow and you see in your left mirror that you may hit a car to the left of the parking space, there is nothing to worry about. Put the car in forward gear. Turn the steering wheel to the left and drive a little forward. This way you will increase the maneuvering space. Once in reverse gear, turn the steering wheel to the right and using your side mirrors, slowly drive into the parking space until you are parallel with other cars. Step 4. Set the wheels straight by turning the steering wheel back to center and start backing up. Usually beginners can't tell from their side mirrors how much room they have left in front of an obstacle. You may feel like you're about to hit the obstacle with your rear bumper, even though you still have plenty of room. You can also orient yourself to other cars that are next to you. If visually these cars are very similar to yours, then simply reverse until your side mirrors are parallel. That's it. And remember, the more practice you have, the better you'll get at it each time. In the first stages, try to practice on uncluttered sections of road. For example, in parking lots near supermarkets. Step 1. Find a suitable location where your vehicle will visually fit. To safely execute the maneuver, ensure the gap is at least 1.5 times the length of your car. Experienced drivers might manage with less space, while novices may require additional room for a safety buffer when maneuvering in and out of the parking spot. Step 2. Position yourself parallel to the vehicle in front of you, keeping a distance of 2 to 3 feet or 1 meter. You can use your vehicle's side mirrors to do this. Align the right passenger side mirror with the driver's side mirror of the vehicle you intend to park behind. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the right and slowly reverse until you can see the two headlights of the car behind you in your left mirror. Step 3. Straighten your vehicle's wheels in reverse until the front of your vehicle is over the rear bumper of the vehicle in front of you. Step 4. Turn your vehicle's wheels to the left and continue to reverse until your car is level with the vehicle behind you. Step 5. Straighten the wheels again and move forward slightly to get into the correct position. So let's review the procedure. 1. Find a large enough parking space. 2. Place the vehicle parallel to the vehicle in front of you. 3. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the right and start reversing. 4. Straighten the wheels and drive in reverse some more. 5. Turn the wheels fully to the left and level the vehicle. Parallel parking poses a significant challenge for novice drivers. Initially, mastering parallel parking is daunting due to the precise maneuvers required to align the vehicle accurately within the parking space. So what does it take to master parallel parking? More practice, of course. Find a less busy stretch of road with free parking spaces and practice well. This will give you the opportunity not to get confused when parking on those parts of the road where there is more traffic. If you are afraid of damaging other cars, you can practice parking with cones first. If there are no cones, use big water bottles. Here's how to do it. Find a vacant stretch of road. Take 2 cones and place them about 15 feet apart to create an area the size of a real parking space. Practice until you understand the maneuver and feel confident in your ability to parallel park. After that, you can move on to real situations with real parking spaces. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoy it. I am the DriveMaster, your driving instructor. Drive safely and take care.